Stop praying for easy life because easy won't grow you. If everything is smooth o madali ang lahat, hindi ka matututo maging disiplina. Hindi ka magiging malakas. You won't develop character. Hindi made-develop yung character mo. Instead, praying, Lord, alisin mo na lang ang problema. Try to pray, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng lakas to handle it. Because life is always be hard in some way. But who you become on process. That what's matter. Kasi God is more focused on your growth than your comfort. So don't ask less problems. Ask to become strong. Yun lang po. Salamat.